you're stuck in a snowstorm and you forgot your tent, you have to build a shelter to survive. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm building a shelter with some branches, and then I put some spruce tree over it to make it waterproof and snowproof. By putting a lot of these branches on the shelter, it will make it no water will be able to penetrate. If I go under it, I can sleep comfortably and very well. Shelters are mandatory to know how to build if you are in a survival situation, because otherwise you can die of hypothermia, die of the cold, which is not what we desire out here. We desire to have a great experience, in tune with nature, and a great time. Give me a follow for more tips.